Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show is sponsored by Hog Holsters, Olight Flashlights, and Heal That Pain Shoe Inserts. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Here with Suzanne from UCO. Is it UCO or UCO?
UCO.
UCO. I get it right?
Yep.
Okay. Anyway, and they've got some cool new products out from both UCO and Morakniv. Got that one. How about that? I've been coached. And let me just show you, this is, I finally reached SHOT Show heaven. We got fatwood. So, a little secret, last year, you may recall, I kind of got Suzanne in a little bit of trouble. We had a little fire and smoke here. We're going to be really, really nice today, but you know we got fatwood, and we got one of the newest products from UCO, this ferro rod. And what's the name of this product?
The Titan Fire Striker Kit.
The Titan Fire Striker Kit. This thing is what, like a half inch? It's big. It's a big chunky. How many strikes?
20,000 strikes.
20,000 strikes. It comes on a little paracord lanyard with a separate little multi-tool / striker. And so you know we got fatwood, we got a ferro rod. So let's just don't tell anybody. She said sparks are okay. So let me just show you how this works real quick. So it's got a sharpened edge on it, sharpened spine. You're just going to scrape a little fatwood. Like I said, we'll just do a little bit because we don't want to get the fire marshal here, right? And we got that little bit right there. And we'll just bring a little bit more in just to make sure. So we got fatwood.
That smells so good.
It does smell. See, we got somebody else that agrees with me. Fatwood is the best smell in the woods. And then, look at that. Ooh, put it out. So it works really, really good. So this
that's
is
your flame limit for the show.
That's it. No more fire for Brian. So this is the Titan Strike. Did I get it right? Titan Fire Striker. Yeah. You know I like this, right? Something else I saw just happened to be laying on the table here. You want to talk about this now?
Sure. Yep.
So this is a Mora. I call it a Mora or Morakniv if you really want me to butcher the Swedish language. But what model is this?
This is the brand new model. This is called the Companion Spark. So I can attest to its sharpness. As I was opening it this morning, we've already drawn blood. So sharp right out of the box. It has Mora's Tentacone.
So this one has a sharp spine. Is that this is a prototype? Is that going to be the production model?
Yes. So this is based on the Companion model, which most people know is one of their most popular.
Right.
Super budget friendly, great all around option. But so you're going to have your Sandvik stainless steel blade, you're going to have your 90-degree ground spine, and then you're going to have an integrated fire starter right in the handle.
So, that is so cool. So this is the first Companion I've seen with a 90-degree spine. It may be another one, the first one I'm aware of. What's cool is on the back here, we'll twist. It's just got a little lock twisted off, and there's a ferro rod, which is another reason for the 90-degree spine. Okay, no flames. We're just going to do sparks, just to show you. Look at that, man. That is stinking cool.
And then they did a reflective element on the cord here.
So
if this happens to fall off around the campsite, you're not going to lose the fire extinguisher part of it.
So just that is like probably the coolest Mora so far I've seen. Well, at least definitely the coolest Companion.
Yeah.
And what's the retail on this?
That's going to be $34.99.
$34.99 you get.
Late spring.
So it's not out yet, but late spring, and that's going to be the MSRP. So you probably be able to get a little less than that. But really, really cool, man. I like that a lot. You know I like it because it's fire, right? So, man, wait a minute. Can you smell that? That's really good.
Smell-o-vision.
Okay, there you go. So, that's a couple of cool things, but they got some other couple of cool things too. They got what Grammar from Survival on Purpose. Okay, in addition to the fire stuff, they've also got some really cool new, I guess this is camp wear. Is that the correct term? Camp kitchen wear that I think is pretty cool. So UCO, called UCO Wear. What an inventive name. And so
this is a whole new category for UCO. One thing, it just launched last week, so these are available now. They're doing 2 different mess kit options and 3 different utensil options. So we'll start here. This is the most basic 4-piece mess kit. So this is a polypropylene TPE makeup, so it weighs about 8 ounces altogether, so it's a nice lightweight for backpacking. It'll come with the 4 pieces you see here, the lid and plate on the top, and then the bowl on the bottom, the shot cord tether, and then the utility sport. So this is a glass-filled nylon sport. It's really durable and not flimsy at all. And then this kit is microwavable, dishwasher safe, freezer friendly, so you can use it as a Tupperware alternative as well as you can use it out camping.
But what I thought, a couple things I thought were cool are inside the kit. Right? what you showed me. So first, if I can get it open without making it. So first of all, there's a seal, which seals up. So if you got something in here, there's maybe leftovers, you can't even, it won't come leaking out in the bag. But the other thing, which is like somebody really thought this through.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
So they match the curve of the fork exactly to the curve of the bowl, so you're not going to be losing scraps of food behind when you're out after hiking all day.
Yeah, so if you've been backpacking all day, you want that mountain house or whatever it is, you don't want to leave any of it in the bowl. You're pretty tired, so that's pretty cool too.
You're still welcome to lick it if you'd like, but you don't have to.
Yeah. They tell me if you go to Philmont, like you have to rinse it out and drink dishwater, because you don't waste anything.
There you go.
So that's cool.
And this is going to retail for $15, so it's a really great price.
$15. Yeah, with a lifetime warranty. That's pretty. It's kind of hard to beat that.
Yeah.
So pretty cool stuff there. And it's not flammable either, right?
Wouldn't cook on it.
So
no more.
I could probably set it on fire, but not here.
You can try. Not here.
So, and then you have the other version is a little different. I guess this is the eco-friendly version or whatever you call it.
Yeah, so if you're looking for something non-plastic, this is the Bamboo Elements mess kit. So we're showing the 3 different colors available. This is 90% natural content. So it's a bamboo fiber and cornstarch mix infused into a polymer. So it's going to be a little heavier than the TPE version. So this would be $20 retail. Same dimensions, same volume, capacity, and build as the 4-piece kit.
It's different since it comes with a slightly different utensil,
It'll come with
right?
a slightly different utensil. So this is something really cool they're doing called the switch sport utensil kit. So it comes all together. It comes nested together, but it snaps out into 2 pieces. You can use it as a separate fork and knife, or you can just have something individually. So that'll come with this kit, but you can also purchase it separately.
Something I thought was cool about this is, for a plastic knife, this thing has got really a pretty decent little edge on it. You could cut steak or meat or whatever with that very well. So that's pretty cool.
So these are out now. These just came out about a week ago.
So, and the retail on this is what you say?
This one will be $12. Actually, I think this is $8 retail.
$8 or so.
If you want to buy it separately.
Pretty cool. Well, that's a quick look at what the folks at UCO got out for 2019 and some Morakniv stuff. So thanks again, Suzanne, for taking time to talk to us. It's always good to see you.
No fires this time, so
we didn't get the fire marshal call this time. So thanks for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of the Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Once again, I'd like to thank my sponsors and encourage you to go check them out. First of all, Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Olight Flashlights, makers of the PL Mini, PL Valkyrie, and lots of other cool flashlights. And the folks at Heal That Pain Heal Seats, which I'm wearing right now. They literally changed my life. So I encourage you to check them all out. Tell them I said hello and thanks for sponsoring this year's coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.